Hey, it's Eric Moss. We're here to teach you week 4 of the Kettlebell training program. We're back in Arnell's gym, back in the cold, and I'm going to teach you another version of the Kettbell Swing. This time when you do it, you're going to swing it up. It's actually going to leave your hand and catch it. I recommend doing this outside, since if you don't have the eye-to-hand coordination, you could drop it. And if you haven't mastered last week's, do not attempt this one. So again, you'd be doing this for high reps, very similar to last week. And then we're going to continue the Turkish Getup. Today we're going to do it in singles because we're going to actually complete the full Turkish Getup today. So, picking up where we left off last week, I'll start with my left side today. Use 2 hands to pick it up. Empty hand helps me up. Switch my feet. Supported on 3 points. Posture up. And then drive up. And then just reverse the steps to go back down. And I'll show it again. This time on my right side, which is my stronger side. Using 2 hands to pick it up. Use this foot and this arm to help push myself up. Remember not to rush through this exercise. Switch your feet. Supported on 3 points. Posture up and drive up. And then reverse it, going back down. So, going back and forth 5 times. I'm going to give you a sample round. Just move this back here so I don't smash the light. I'm going to do 20 of this variation of the swings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember to synchronize your breathing. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then I'll just do 2 Turkish get-ups per side before going back to the swings. And drive. And drive. You go back and forth between that, so you do 5 rounds of each. So 5 rounds of 20, and then 5 rounds of 2. I'm Eric Moss. If you want more information, go to oldschoolworkouts.com, my blog ericjmoss.com, or my other website rockbodyfitness.com. Peace out.